Evaluate the limit when theta approaches 0. For small angles, replace x with 2 theta. Compute the numerator. Form the quotient. As theta approaches 0, the high-order term vanishes, leaving 2. And there is the limit.